tempo is going to be one of the most important things when it comes to intention and execution with exercises. It really allows us to create that mind-muscle connection and understand what it feels like to have time under significant tension in the muscle. It's typically 4 numbers separated by hyphens. The first number is the lengthening of the muscle. The second number is the most lengthened position of the muscle. The third number is the shortening of the muscle, and the fourth number is the most shortened. So when we think about something like a barbell back squat, that first number is going to be the time it takes for you to go from a standing position down to the bottom of the squat, or the lengthening of your glutes, hamstrings, quads, etc. The second number is going to be the lowest part of your squat. The third number is going to be you standing up out of the squat, so the shortening of all those muscles are contracting. And then the fourth number is going to be you standing at the top. Another example, since not all exercises are kind of set up perfectly for that number breakdown, would be a bicep curl. If our arm is straight at the bottom of a bicep curl, the first motion that we do is the shortening. So that's, remember, the third number of the series of numbers. So this would be the shortening of the muscle, this would be the most shortened position, this would be the lengthening, and then this would be the most lengthened position. But the only time that you won't see a number is when we are talking about explosion or acceleration, and that's when you're going to see an X or an A in one of those spots. The reason why A would be used is just because there's sometimes where we want to really initiate and engage a different group of muscle fibers as we accelerate through the movement. A great example of this would be a lying leg curl. So that first 10 to 15 degrees of the lying leg curl, it's going to be a lot of calves. However, as you get past that, we're going to be recruiting a lot more hamstrings. That slow to quicker acceleration of that exercise can really help promote better recruitment of your hamstrings. And then if you see an X in one of those spots, that's just going to be explosion. This is going to be with a lot of athletes or really skilled, trained individuals, where our purpose with that exercise is to explode and be powerful within that movement.